Drove a locomotive both far and near, accompanied by a monkey who would sit on a stool, watching everything the engineer would move. One day the engineer wanted a bite to eat, left the monkey sitting on the driver's seat. The monkey pulled the draw, the locomotive jumped the gun and did 90 miles an hour down the main line run. Big locomotive, right on time. Big locomotive coming down the line. Big locomotive number 99 left the engineer with a worried mind. The engineer called up the dispatcher on the phone, tell him all about his locomotive was gone. Get on the wire, switch operator to right, 'cause the monkey's got the main line sewn up tight. Switch operator got the message in time, said there's a northbound living on the same main line. Open up the switch, I'm gonna let him through the hole, 'cause the monkey's got the